Alright, this is part three and the final part. As I was saying, when people send me any kind of negative energy, I transmute it. Like I was saying, I send it up to God and I ask Him to cleanse it, purify it, make it holy, make, do everything to it that would be of Him, cleansing it and making it a holy power and send it back to me. And the negativity that was in it, I leave it to Him because God says, vengeance is not ours, it's the Lord's. And it is. And I'm going to say a quick story so you can understand why. I do this, one, because I truly believe that by not sending it back and transmuting it and taking the power, it's lessening their power. And God will do what He wishes with that negativity. I would say it's almost like karma, but God doing it, basically. And there was a woman who came at me with my ex, who I already talked about, and I have been feeling so much better. I have been feeling myself and so blessed and honored that I did what I did. Because I'm so free now, so free. But she came at us, and she was from the church, and her husband was from the church. She came at me with everything to take my life. And I saw her a couple of days ago. And when I saw her, I couldn't believe what I saw. I almost wanted to cry for her, to tell you the honest truth, and I couldn't believe it myself. The woman was not even in her right mind, walking aimlessly, talking to herself. She had lost everything. She looked like she was 70 years old, and she's a woman only in her early 30s.